PowerToys is a free set of Windows utilities from Microsoft that helps you work smarter and customize your experience. It's a free Microsoft toolkit with over 30 tools that add functionality and customization to Windows PC. In this video, I'll show you how you can install PowerToys on your Windows computer. Alright, to get PowerToys, open any web browser currently installed on your computer. In search bar, type Microsoft PowerToys and then press enter. From search results, look for the first one coming from Microsoft.com and click on it. This will take you to the Microsoft PowerToys documentation page, where you can also read more about available tools and how they work. To download PowerToys, click on this Install PowerToys button right here. Scroll down a little so you can see the minimum system requirements for PowerToys. Make sure your PC meets these requirements before continuing. On this page, you'll notice there are different ways to get PowerToys, but in this video, I'll use GitHub option. So, I'll click on this link right here. This will open Microsoft PowerToys GitHub repository page directly on the latest PowerToys release. Scroll down a bit until you see the list of installer files. You'll see multiple installer options here, but let's choose the 64-bit executable file. Installer file will now begin downloading, so just wait for the process to finish. Once download is complete, head over to your Downloads folder and find the installer file. Then, double-click on it to launch the installation wizard. Make sure you read license terms and agreement, accept them, and then click on Install. Installation process will now begin, so wait a few moments while to finish. And as you can see, Microsoft PowerToys is now successfully installed on our computer, and it may even launch automatically after the installation is complete. For now, PowerToys is ready to be used on your Windows PC. In future videos, I'll show you how you can use some of the most useful PowerToys tools to improve your productivity and workflow. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.